I want to tie everything together with a look at a powerful cycle that a strong online reputation can create for your business. First, new clients. It all begins with attracting new clients. A well-maintained online reputation, complete with positive reviews, strong social proof, and accurate business information, will set you apart from the competition, and your potential customers are more likely to choose you over the others. We've seen this in many different ways as consumers, and we saw it in the example that I showed you earlier in the audit. New clients fuel referrals, and this is where the magic happens. Those new clients, impressed by the service and experience, they begin to spread the word. They become advocates for your business, referring it to friends, families, and colleagues. Referrals are incredibly powerful because they come from a trusted source. These personal recommendations carry even more weight than a great online review. And remember, these referrals are a direct result of your strong reputation, what you've built up over time. You're known as the best in town. As this cycle continues, the businesses gain reputation for being the best in town. It becomes the go-to choice for pet grooming in her community, your community, no matter the business you are, or the example we use. Being known as the best in town means bucks. It's money in the bank. It affects your bottom line. This reputation doesn't just bring in more clients, it's immense. Your place in the area as a leader in your market. And when people think of any service, the first business that comes to mind should be your business. So let's bring this home. Here's the exciting part. This cycle is self-perpetuating. The more clients you attract, the more referrals you get, and the stronger your reputation becomes. It's a powerful upward spiral that drives ongoing growth and success. I want you to be excited about this because you have full control over it. But let's be clear, this doesn't happen by chance. It doesn't happen by luck, and it doesn't happen because you deserve it. It happens because you actively manage your online reputation. You keep your business listings accurate, up to date, engaging with positive and negative reviews, and you're encouraging happy customers. That it's easy to leave feedback and staying active on social media. You then unlock these incredible benefits of making your business where you want it to be. So if you've enjoyed what you've learned, and you're excited and you're prepared and you're confident to take action, I invite you to see how your business looks online. I want you, as we come to the close of this action plan, is for you to take action, to know that this is crucial and you shouldn't miss out on the opportunity to see how your business is being perceived online. This is your chance to get a clear picture of your digital presence. And believe me, it's information you can't afford to ignore in today's competitive market. Staying informed is being proactive, and it's what sets successful businesses apart from the rest. Now, if you want to see how your business looks online, it's as simple as scanning this QR code with the camera on your phone or texting the phone number on the screen. By doing this, I'll share with you a comprehensive marketing audit report that will give you valuable insights into your current online reputation. Plus, I'll send you the Google Slides from today's presentation as well, so you can visit the strategies we've discussed and start implementing them right away. See, the goodies you get because you do this work are new clients in a steady stream of referrals and the status of being known as the best in town. It's a win-win scenario that all starts with your commitment to building and maintaining that reputation that we've spoken about. So as we wrap up today, let's make sure we're putting in the effort where it counts, because that's where the rewards are. Your reputation is your business, and with the right focus and dedication, it will pay dividends for years to come. I thank you, and I'm excited to see how each of you can take these insights that are accustomed to your business and apply them to your business today to achieve even greater success tomorrow. And if you have any questions, you can start a chat with me on our chat widget. I'll be looking forward to your message. Or if you opt in to this QR code, we can continue the conversation thereafter. Thank you again, and take care.